the things we do here in the aircraft world is work with rivets and sheet metal and things like that. And as you can see, we have some students here that are about to drive some rivets into a live aircraft. This is something that we've trained them for to do, and they've become very proficient at it, and that's why we're letting them work on an aircraft at this time. They're about to drive a rivet here, as you can see. And as you can see, the rivet is now driven, and it's professionally done. And it's something that they were taught, they had no clue how to do in the beginning, but now they're doing it on live aircraft. Something else they were taught to do, and to make sure that the work is done according to FAA standards. This aircraft was donated to ISU Aircraft Maintenance. It had a firewall problem, as you can see. Part of the firewall is gone. The students took that off, and we will be repairing and replacing.